All right, you guys, we have just finished the in-person phone flipping training, and I'm here with my man Thomas. How was it?
Oh man, I can't explain it. Only word for me is awesome. That's just awesome.
You guys was able to get some, real negotiation live going on, and you was able to see, your peer get a deal. How was that experience? Because I was really teaching about negotiation tactics, and we use the negotiation tactics to devalue the phone of a seller. A seller was trying to sell somebody an iPhone 11 for $300, and we was able to get it all the way down to $200, right? How was that experience?
Man, I was hoping it happened to me, but I was happy for him. Just like you said, you was going over to the lecture, and all of a sudden we got that, that swapper, swapper message from him, and and it just to be here in person to see the negotiation going on was I call it nuggets. If you're taking it online, that's great. I'm not saying online is not good, but in person is the way to be, because you see everything happening. Josh take you here and there. We got a lot of other nuggets I can't probably talk to you about, right?
Gave you guys the game, literally.
We got the game.
I started the class off and I said, hey guys, I'm literally going to give you guys a game. Did I not legitimately give you guys the game?
The game. Because we got some stuff that you won't see, you don't get online. But like I say, online is good, but being here in person, nuggets, gold nuggets.
How confident do you feel when you go home that you're going to potentially, get your money back from taking this class?
I feel right now I can go back to the hotel and do it right now and make some money.
You guys, learning from me is a little differently because I'm going to keep it real and I'm going to keep it authentic, just like I told both of you guys before class even started. In person, they was able to actually see live buys, and they was actually able to do live negotiation and see live sales. I'm teaching the real game. Phone flipping is easy. Phone flipping is simple. And my last question for you, for the ones out there that is going to reply back now and say, hey, phone flipping is a scam. How do you feel about that now since you took this class?
It's not a scam. I always knew it wasn't a scam. Josh don't know this, but I've already took a flipping course, but it was online. It don't touch what he's the real deal. When he say he's the real deal, he's the real deal. And I ain't saying that just because I'm sitting right next to him. He's the real deal. You're gonna learn.
Definitely, and that's just the whole point, you guys. I just want to make sure I'm just giving you value at all points, every angle. I taught you like 7 different ways to resell an iPhone.
7, I won't say 10, 7 to 10. It was a lot of them. It was at least 7.
At least 7
at least
different
7
ways to sell an iPhone, because it's important to me to have different ways that you're going to make money.
They don't teach that. They don't teach that online.
They don't.
They don't teach that online.
And that's just what I basically wanted to say. If you guys are definitely interested in phone flipping, you should be. You can make a lot of money phone flipping. We was able to buy a 13 Pro Max and a Z Fold here, and I'll give you guys the recap of actually, how much I actually made off those deals, and that's pretty much it.
All right.